Hello and welcome to grade 6 math class. Okay, so in our previous lesson, I took you through multiplication of 2 digits. Alright, so now let's upgrade ourselves a little using the blocks, okay? So for today, I have this question. 122 times 15. So how do we solve such a question using the multiplication hands-on kits? Alright, so 122 means I explained all this to you in our previous lesson. This is the 100 block and it's called a flat. That is the 10 block and this is the units block. Alright, so we are going to use these ones in our calculations. So 122 means we are taking 100 block plus 2 of the tens, making 20 plus 1. Alright, so a unit. So this is 122. Okay, so 122. Excellent. Times 15. So times 15 means that 1 of the tens and 5 of the units. Okay, 5 of the units. So this is my units, my 15 blocks built over here. And this is my 122 block. So how then do I multiply this? I'll first of all take the 2 to multiply the 5. So 2 times 5 is giving us 10. 10 means 1 of the tens or 10 of the ones. Alright, because 10 of the ones will give you 1 of this 10. Okay, so we are done with the 2 times 5. Then we take the same 2 to multiply the 10. And so 2 times 10 will give us 20. Alright, so 20 means that 2 of these of the 10. So this is giving us 20, right? Good. So we are done with 2 times 5, then 2 times 10. Then we come to the next set, that is the 20 over here. Okay, so 20 times 5 will give us 100. 100, you can represent it with 1 flat or 100 ones or 10 of the tens. All right, great. So this is our 100, that is 20 times 5, giving us 100. Then again, 20 times 10 will give us what? 200. Okay, so let's arrange this well to create more space. 200. And this becomes my 200 blocks. That is 2 of the flats. Okay, 2 of the flats. Great. 2 of the flats. Then I now come to the 100 block. So 100 times 5. 100 times 5 will give me 500. 500. So 500 means that I'm getting 5 of the flats, right? Good. 500 flat. That is this one. 5 of the flats. Okay. That is what I have here. 5 of the flats. 500. Okay. Then 100 times 10 will give me 1000. So I'll pick one of the cube. This represents 1,000. This represents 1,000. So this is my cube. Okay. So these are my solutions. First, I multiplied the 2 by the 5 to give me 10. That is 1 tenth. This one. This. Then 2 by 10 giving me 20. That is the 20 over here. Then I now come to the 20 over here, this one, 2 tens. So 20 times 5 giving me 100. That is over the one flat. Then 20 times 10 giving me, yes, 200. And that is what you are seeing over here. Then it comes to the flat. So 100 times 5 gives us 500. That is the block you are seeing there. Then 100 times 10 will give us 1000. That is 1 cube. Either 1 cube or 10 of these or 1000 of the unit. Okay, so when you want to find your final answer, you sum everything up. So you sum 1000 to 500 to 200 to 100 to 20 to 10. Then you get a final answer as 1830. Thank you so much for your time. I want you to practice more on your own to become perfect. And this is so simple. It will help kids in their multiplication, in multiplying numbers. Okay, so thank you so much for your time and attention. Till we meet again, please stay safe and learn hard. But before I go, I'll leave you with some assignments over here. Alright, so I have these for you. Okay, so 14 times 19, 5 times 17. So you can also design these things to help your kids, okay? Alright, so in my next topic, my next lesson, I will treat how to use these blocks to learn division easily. Alright, so stay tuned for more mathematics tutorials. Till we meet again, please stay safe and learn hard. Bye.